Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. In today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x87e10bef. And let's get started straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is head over, or you're going to click on the Xbox logo on your controller. You want to go over to Profile and Systems, and you want to click on Sign Out. Once you click on Sign Out, you can sign back in and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. If that does not fix the issue, the second thing I recommend you guys doing, heading over to Account, Remove Account, and then add your account back in. You can also check to see if that fixes the issue. If that also does not fix the issue, the third method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to General, heading over to Network Settings. First, test your network connection, make sure everything's working fine, and then heading over to Advanced Settings. From the Advanced Settings, you're going to change the primary and secondary DNS settings. You're going to change the primary to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS settings to 8.8.4.4. Once you go ahead and do that, you should be good to go. I recommend also turning off your console like Xbox or restarting it. It's up to you. But anyways, yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.